folks, in the spirit of testing fixatives, I'm trying Graphitint and a Carbothello pencil. I just have one. I used to have a set, but I don't know what happened to them. I just have one left. And I have a bunch of single Graphitint by Derwent. They're tinted graphite pencils. They're also water soluble, so it makes it a problem if I wanted to do watercolor over them. And so I'm really excited to try these with the fixative, okay, and my pastel pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this from dark to light, separate it, and then I'm gonna do watercolor over top of it, okay? Okay, so I sprayed this side. I'm gonna put the clear watercolor ground on this side, and I'm super nervous about it because this is water soluble. So what's gonna happen when I brush a liquid onto it? It could be just a shit show. So let's find out. Okay, that turned out all right. And I literally, oh, it's starting to smudge. And I literally am just like resting it on the top, like the brush, I'm literally just guiding it over the top. It's very much how I apply varnish. You can see it's starting to smudge. Something's happening there. All right, I'm just not gonna. All right, that's fine. Watercolor grounds on this side, workable fixes on this side. I did it 3 times, but the pastel is still, it needs more to cover, and I don't really care because I don't like working with pastel pencil anyway, so I don't really give a crap, so I just left it. The Graphitint is not blending anymore, it's fixed, so that's all I care about. So I'm gonna do strips of watercolor over top of this and see how it reacts. I'm excited about the Graphitint because I'd like the idea of having colored graphite. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes. I definitely like the Graphitint. I like how it's not dirty looking and the color adds more volume, more depth to the watercolor. I am missing that luminosity that comes from using just watercolor. There's always going to be a little bit of a well, a penciliness, a dirtiness to the graphic tint and the graphite, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get away from that. So that's all right. Now, just as a lark, I wanted to try doing black watercolor underneath and then color watercolor over top. So instead of rendering in color watercolor, doing almost like a monochromatic painting underneath. Very old, traditional, old school, and trying that. Now, some of the black did lift, and it will lift as I scrub more, but I want to try a piece now that is a underpainting, a monochromatic black underpainting that then I glaze over top with color. Very much a traditional oil technique, but see if I can do it with watercolor and use the Grumbacher fixative to fix the monochromatic underpainting so it doesn't lift. So I'm going to try that next.